Teacher has 8 students in her class, 5 girls and 3 boys. Teacher will pick 2 students. That was Clover. One at a time to buy milk in the cafeteria. What is the probability of that? Well, read it. What we're going to do is we're going to build a tree diagram, because why not? So teacher could pick a girl first or a boy first. And then teacher could pick a girl second or a boy second. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to pretend that teacher picked a girl first. I lied. What we're going to do is figure out the probability that teacher picks a girl first. Well, in the beginning there are 5 girls and 3 boys. So the probability of girls picked first is 5/8. The probability of boys picked first is 3/8. Notice 5/8 plus 3/8 is 1/8. Nope. 8/8 or 1. Okay. Assuming that a teacher picked a girl first, meaning the lower half of this tree does not exist. It's not there. You don't see it. So with that said, assuming a girl is picked first, that means there are now 4 girls to pick from out of 7 children total, because we lost a child. So just to make sure that's clear, here's our 5 girls. Here's our 3 boys. So we're assuming that a girl was picked first. So there goes a girl. And notice out of the ones that are remaining, there are 4 girls out of 7. And there are 3 boys out of 7. So the probability of picking a boy after picking a girl is 3/7. So now, oh, that's weird. Can I make that go on top there? Let's see. No, order, bring to front. Nailed it. Oh, problem diverted. But also, now we're going to do what if a boy was picked first. So I changed my little thing up there. So now looking at a boy is being picked first, how many are still girls? 5 out of how many kids total? 7. And how many are still boys? 2 out of how many kids total? 7. And just as we had previously, notice 4/7 and 3/7 is 1. And notice that 5/7 and 2/7 is 1. So we've accounted for all possible scenarios. Great. So now let's finish the problem. We want a girl to be picked first, so this branch, and a boy is picked second, this branch. So notice that would be 5/8 times 3/7. We're multiplying because we are doing more than one thing, and is stated in this case. So that'd be 15/56. And then 2 boys are picked can be read as a boy is picked first and a boy is picked second. So that would be 3/8 times 2/7 is 6/50. Oop, forgot my fraction bar there. 56. Oop, that's not a 6. Nailed it. Or what is that? 3/28. So and was not stated, it was implied. A boy is picked first and a boy is picked second.